how to merge and delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to merge and delete duplicate contacts on your iPhone because iPhone has that feature. It sorts out the duplicate contacts for you itself. So let's dive right in. Open up your phone app and then head over to contacts. And as you can see at the very top, it says 30 duplicates found. So you can just view the duplicates. Now you can manually delete it individually, or you can see the merge all option. So you can tap on merge all and then all the duplicate contacts will be deleted and only one original will stay. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.